everyone, this is Ru from Ether. Topstar Technology Industrial Company is a professional fiber optical module manufacturer integrating R&D, production, sales, and after-sales service. This is our sales manager, Clark.
Hi everyone, welcome to Topstar. I'm Cloud and the sales manager. In Topstar, our average sale amount of XFP modules is about 100,000 pieces, and we have more than 1,000 customers globally. And we already established a cooperation with them, like China Telecom, China Telecommunication Backbone Network Project, SSD, and also Saudi Telecom, Dubai Telecom, DPL operators, South America Data Center, and our extra customers. And normally we acquire our customers from the Alibaba. Also, we have our own website. So if you guys have any relevant request, welcome to check with us. Hi guys, today I'm going to introduce two product series for you. One is brand Optics, another one is OEM for you. Yes, for brand, we mainly sell Finisa, Cisco, and Brocade. For OEM, we provide all field product solution from 1G to 400G. Yes, and here are some samples to show you guys. First is our best sale, FTLF 8536. Yes, is 25G SR. It's a very popular one at the moment for server access. Also, we have some storage optics that is 60G FC SFP plus one. So it's also very popular for some sign storage network. Yes, and for some transport network, we also have 100G 80 kilometers. Yes, many customers are looking for this right now because they are upgrade those 10G network into 100G. Yes, that's probably our best famous products at the moment. If you guys have any other SFP requests, you can share with us.
In order to meet the customer's one-stop optical module procedure demand, Topstar holds a separate sales department for popular brand modules and has direct business dealings with the world's largest data center like Google, Amazon, etc. In the past 17 years, there's no customer complaints about the counterfeit and shoddy products, and we provide all branded products 1 year after sales services.
At present, our average sales per month is about 100,000 pieces. Topstar has more than 1,000 customers globally and already established a long-term cooperation with China Telecommunication Backbone Network Projects, Saudi Telecom, Dubai Telecom, etc.
This is Lisa from Topstar.
Hello, I'm Lisa. I'd like to introduce Topstar with 3 keywords. First, persistent. Topstar has 17 years deep-rooted in the fiber industry. Second, reliable. We never owe our suppliers payments and the employee salary in 17 years. We sell genuine and OEM compatible goods in 17 years. Third, responsible. All staffs in Topstar do volunteer work more than 3 times in the society every year, and continues to donate money and goods to charity.